Setting Safari's search engine to alternative options like DuckDuckGo, Baidu, Soso 360 search, or Ecosia on your iPhone 15 allows you to customize your web search experience, potentially enhancing privacy or accessing region-specific results. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, scroll down and tap on Search Engine. You'll see a list of available search engines. The default is set to Google. To change this, select any from the given options like DuckDuckGo, Baidu, Soso 360 search, or Ecosia. Simply tap on your preferred search engine to select it. Once you're done selecting, tap the back button or swipe up to return to the home screen. Changes to the Safari settings are applied immediately. To test your new search engine, open Safari and tap on the search bar. Type in a search keyword. You should now see results from your newly selected search engine. This change allows you to tailor your browsing experience on your iPhone 15, whether you're prioritizing privacy with DuckDuckGo, accessing Chinese results with Baidu, or supporting eco-friendly initiatives with Ecosia. To switch to another search engine, just repeat the same steps. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.